Hello, boys and girls. Today, you've already watched a video on the process of the standard algorithm for a 2-digit by 2-digit multiplication problem. Okay, so we're going to have Miss Ivory model for you too, so you can hear my voice and watch how I do it. And then I'm going to give you some problems to practice. So my job is to show you multiple ways to multiply a 2 by 2 multiplication problem. Once I teach you the 3 ways, we have the area model, which is my preference. We have the standard model or standard algorithm, which it might take you some practice, but eventually you will get it and you will learn how to do it. And then partial products. So we're going to focus on standard algorithm today. All right, so let's get started. Write this down in your journal or your spiral, 23 times 31, and let's get started. So we're going to start with the 1 times 23. And it's like a 2 by 1. So I'm going to, let's use red. We're going to multiply 1 times 3, and that is 3. And then we're going to multiply the 1 times the 2 in the tens place, and that is 2. So 1 times 23 is 23. Now I'm going to change colors on my pen, and now we're going to multiply 30 because that is a digit of 3, but remember that 3 is in the tens place, so it's actually 30. 30 times 3. So we're going to put this 0 here in the ones place because this is in the tens place, so we need to put that 0 first. 3 times 3, so now we're multiplying 3 times 3, or 30 times 3, and that is 9. Now we're going to multiply the 3 times 2, and that is 6. Now we're going to add it all up, and 3 plus 0 is 3. 2 plus 9 is 11. We're going to regroup to the hundredths place, and 6 plus 1 is 7. So 23 times 31 is 713. We didn't have to do any regrouping with that one, so let's try another one. Okay, so let's try a new one, and let me erase this page just like that, and let's start again. Let's do 46 times 35. So write that down, please. And we're going to start with the 5 in the ones place and multiply it times the 6. So we're multiplying up this time. 5 times 6 is 30. Well, just like addition, what are we going to do with that 3? We're going to regroup it into the tens place. Now we can multiply 5 times the 4, and that's 20. And we're going to add the 3, and that gives us 23. So we're going to put that right here in the correct place value. All right, we're done with the 5. So let's switch over here to the 3, which is really in the tens place. So we need to put this 0 here. So 3 times 6 is 18. So we're going to put the 8 in the tens place, and we're going to regroup the 1 here in the tens place. Now we're going to multiply, and we're done with this one. We're going to multiply 3 times 4 is 12, plus 1 more is 13. We can't regroup the 1 because there's no other digits over here. So now we're going to add it all up. We got 0 in the ones place. We have 11 tens where we need to regroup. Now we have 3 plus 2 plus 1 is 6. And then we have 1 in the thousands place. And then we just put our comma. And here is our product. Okay, so get that copied. And I am going to give you a few problems to do that I want you to work in your spiral using the standard algorithm. I'm going to start today with giving you a few problems without regrouping, and then I expect tomorrow, once you have the process correct, to be able to do some practice problems using the standard algorithm with regrouping, okay? All right, so check the next slide for your problems to practice. You can practice them on paper and then type in your answer, or you can practice on paper, take a picture of it and upload it, and I can see it that way. It's your choice, but find a way so that I can see your work, okay? Appreciate it. Have a good day, guys.